What's up, guys? Today, running on 4 hours of sleep again. I gotta get some piece of shit 370Z headlights. I need it for the braking light inspection bullshit that you gotta do for the DMV since my car is salvaged. I'm gonna go pick those up at fucking Fresno. I guess I'm gonna show you guys how to fucking install them. I'm gonna lie, I had my girlfriend driving. I took an hour of sleep because I was tired, but
guess who also got no sleep? Me.
she's lying. Alright, so I got the headlights in the back. We got both of them. I needed that. But yeah, we're on our way back. Alright, so here's the 370Z headlights. The new ones we got. And this is the little homie. The homie Armani, our new dog. Say what's up. Yeah, I bought them for freaking $500 just cause of that freaking little scratch I have in the front of mine. I had to get that fixed and stuff. I know it sucks, huh? But it's whatever. We got them. Alright, first step to this, to replace the headlights, gotta take off those bolts that are on the car. To take off the front bumper.
It's breaking, dog. Fucking fiberglass. FRP, fiberglass reinforced plastic. It has a little bit of plastic. You see how it's already cracking and shit?
Yeah.
You're gonna slam the fuck out of them.
Oh, but to go more low?
So you really wanted to right now, you can use my jack, pick it up and twist the little things and that shit will drop to the fucking floor, dog. I swear, easy as fuck. Takes like fucking 30 minutes. Do all four corners.
Oh shit.
I need a washer right there.
To the back?
Just need a fucking...
You fuck it in?
That is good, huh?
Yeah.